Hello all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this Python programming for beginners video tutorial series. And in this video I am going to explain how to install a local web server with XAMPP and configure Python in the XAMPP server, Apache server, and we also do one sample testing in Python. So in the upcoming videos, I'm going to test Python in web server. So this is the beginning of the web Python web programming. So to do that one, we need to install XAMPP. So let us download for Windows. Since it is so download XAMPP, right? So I've already downloaded. Click on this and download. So that will actually download. So I already downloaded Python and XAMPP. So first I will install XAMPP. Okay.
From ZipRecruiter.com. An RN, short registered nurse, works closely with doctors to provide patient care for illnesses and injuries.
So let us do the setup. Let us install. We need PHP admin, which is used to configure MySQL. Tomcat also it will install. So I'm going to install XAMPP in E drive. Okay, so that will be more useful for me. So I just clicked on install. Now I am installing. So it is unpacking and installing MySQL, PHP, and also it has a Perl. So let us wait till we need to install. In the meanwhile, we would like to install Python. So let us be ready with the Python. So where do we need to go? I will explain. Download Python for Windows. So here python.org, and then download the latest version of Python. I have already downloaded Python. So let us check if we can install Python in parallel. So let us use add python.exe path to path, and then use admin privileges, and then customize where do we want to install. So we want to install Python in e slash, this is the path I want to install. Okay. So that is fine. So let us install Python also together. So both are different packages, so both are getting installed. Meanwhile, let us configure Python path. In a systems variable. So this video will be a little bit slow, so please bear. Then so enable environment variables. So in the path, let us edit. Here we have old path actually. We have one, and also e colon slash Python is another one. So let us set this one, and let us see where are we on the Python. Oh, so Python is installed and it is working. So let us enable for this HTTP server. Ensure that while you are running, enable the port, and once your experiment is or programming exercise is complete, then stop the Python server, XAMPP server. Okay, so this is working. Now let us see, setup has been completed. For XAMPP, we need to configure Python in XAMPP. First, let us test XAMPP. For that, we need to test whether XAMPP, that is Apache server and MySQL, they are working or not. The servers are started or not. So by default, XAMPP control panel will be started, but you can actually start control panel each time you want to run. So we need to start the Apache and MySQL. FileZilla, Mercury may not be required now. Tomcat if you want to run as Java related programs, but now we are starting Apache. So Apache web server started on port 40 and 443. It is a security port. 80 is a non-secure port. But currently that is okay. We will run on 80 only because we don't have any SSL certificate installed. And also you can start MySQL. So now we need to configure we need to configure Python. So let us check add Python. So configure and then open the file. We need to add this at the end. Okay, so let us add at the end. Save it and close the file. Okay, so you can actually click this link for your benefit, or you can search and then we need to, okay, I think skill is not started. We will verify why it is. Um, we will try to, port is already blocked, so let us actually run on 3007 port. Okay, so that it may be earlier installed and that port is still occupied. So SQL we will talk about. So we have considered, we have installed. Let us test the browser. So XAMPP is working. Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to verify whether our sample program is working. So let us open. Let us use editor notepad plus plus and let us run a sample program. So this is the sample program. Let us copy and paste. Let us give the right path here. We have installed in e colon slash python, right? And we have not kept in 39, so python and python.exe. So this is the our program. So we have to save this program in which folder? That is in XAMPP and htdocs. And let us create python folder, that is visible. Then let us save test1.py. So let us save this as a python file. Okay, so let us save this as a python file. So the meaning of this is we are actually sending context type which is actually text or HTML, and then we are printing hello world. Python works. Okay, so now let us test whether this python is working or not. HTTP. So 127.0.0.1 is the local server. Then Python is the folder and test1.py. Not as test. You right. So we have not restarted, right, Python. So let us restart it. Okay. So now let us test. See. So now it is working. Okay. So this is how we have configured Python. Uh, in the upcoming videos, we will configure MySQL, and also we will run end-to-end my Python programming. Okay, thank you. See, this one is what you need to change. Okay, so we are running the Python and MySQL in 3307 port. Now let us actually verify Python in myadmin, PHP myadmin, which will be opening the database UI. So here we can actually create databases, and we can go through all the steps, and we can actually edit, modify, delete records also. So that is all about the setup of XAMPP, MySQL, Apache and Python, and configuring the Python. Thank you for watching. So if you like this video, like, share, subscribe, and keep coming back for watching more videos on Python web programming in the subsequent videos. Thank you.